Hey, just starting off the Chilnualna Falls hike. That was the first falls at the bottom of the trail, and then we'll see how far I can get today. Chilnualna Falls Trail. Here's one of the swimming holes coming up it. Hey, check out the food for lunch. Real good food. Chicken with barbecue sauce, string cheese, summer sausage, cheese, and potato salad, and a lot of other stuff. Chips and granola bars and stuff. Pretty good, okay. Time for a break. Getting close to the top. Beautiful Chilnualna Falls. Late September. Little bit of water still coming down. Hey, made it to the top. Just went about like another hour or two exploring. Just a beautiful waterfall right below the top of the Chilnualna Falls Trail. And then there's some swimming areas down below here. Some little pools. Really cool swimming area right at the top of the waterfall. Hey, made it to the top. This is the top right here. Beautiful. This is a good swimming hole. Right down here. Just don't go over the edge. Wawona Dome, and in the back there is Wawona Point on the right with the cell phone tower. Well, we came across a rattlesnake. We're probably about halfway down the trail on the way back. Yeah, pretty big, probably 4.5 feet long. You see the rattles are ready to start rattling. Luckily, I saw him when I was about 4 or 5 feet away. I walked right up on it. The sky is getting darker. Here's our friend, the rattlesnake. Ralph the rattlesnake. I didn't know where he was. I was walking around there. I was going to look for him. I didn't know he was right here. He could have leaped at me and hit me in the heart. See how many rattles he has. Right now he made himself
Looks smaller, but a little bit ago he was looking a lot longer. So he could easily stretch out to 6 feet.
Wawona Dome, last view before it gets too dark. That's where we were on the far left.